Hey everyone, it's Dr. Sajid here. We all know aging is a natural part of life, right? Our bodies change over time, it's inevitable. But did you know that some of our everyday habits can actually speed up this process, making us look and feel older than we really are? That's right. Many things contribute to aging, and some of them might surprise you. From what we eat to how much we sleep, these habits can really add up over time and show on our skin and our health. So, get ready, because in this video, we're diving deep into 30 common habits that could be adding years to your looks. We'll break down each habit and give you practical tips on how to make simple changes to live a healthier, more youthful life. Let's start with the big one, smoking. We all know it's bad for our lungs and heart, but it's terrible for our skin too. The nicotine in cigarettes restricts blood flow, which means your skin isn't getting the oxygen and nutrients it needs to stay healthy and glowy. This lack of blood flow also makes it harder for your skin to heal, so you're more likely to see scars and wrinkles sticking around longer. Plus, the chemicals in cigarettes break down collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep your skin firm and plump, leading to premature sagging and wrinkles. Think of it like this: each puff is like a tiny little jab at your youthful appearance. Now let's talk about alcohol. A glass of wine with dinner is one thing, but overdoing it can really take a toll on your appearance. Alcohol dehydrates your body, including your skin. Ever noticed how your skin looks dull and tired after a night out? That's the dehydration in action. Over time, this constant dehydration can make fine lines and wrinkles more noticeable. And it doesn't stop there. Alcohol can also mess with your liver function, which plays a big role in detoxifying your body. A sluggish liver can lead to a dull complexion and even accelerate the aging process. We've all heard the saying, "You are what you eat," and it's especially true when it comes to aging. What you put into your body directly affects how you look and feel on the outside. Processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats can cause inflammation throughout your body, including your skin. This inflammation can lead to a breakdown of collagen and elastin, those precious proteins we talked about earlier, making you more susceptible to wrinkles and sagging. On the other hand, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats provides antioxidants and nutrients that protect your skin from damage and keep it looking youthful. They don't call it beauty sleep for nothing. When you don't get enough sleep, it really shows on your face. During sleep, your body goes into repair mode, regenerating cells and rebuilding collagen. Skimp on sleep, and you're robbing your skin of this crucial time to rejuvenate. Chronic sleep deprivation can lead to dark circles, puffiness, and a dull complexion. It can also increase stress hormones like cortisol, which we'll discuss in a bit. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to let your body and skin fully recover. Let's face it, life can be stressful, but did you know that stress can actually age you? When you're stressed, your body releases a hormone called cortisol. In small doses, cortisol isn't a bad thing, but when you're constantly stressed, cortisol levels stay elevated, and that's when the trouble starts. High cortisol levels can break down collagen, leading to wrinkles, and it can also make your skin oilier and more prone to breakouts. Finding healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature, can do wonders for both your mental and physical well-being. We all love a little sunshine, right? Vitamin D is essential for our health, but too much sun exposure can be a major culprit in premature aging. UV rays from the sun damage the DNA in our skin cells, leading to wrinkles, age spots, and even skin cancer. Think of it like this: every sunburn is like a direct hit to your skin's youthfulness. Protecting your skin from the sun is crucial, even on cloudy days. Wear sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher every day. Seek shade when the sun is strongest, and consider wearing a hat and sunglasses for extra protection. Regular exercise isn't just good for your body, it's fantastic for your skin too. When you exercise, you increase blood flow throughout your body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells. This increased circulation gives your skin a healthy glow and helps flush away toxins. Plus, exercise helps reduce stress, which we now know can wreak havoc on our skin. Find an activity you enjoy and aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Water is essential for life, and that includes the life of your skin. When you're dehydrated, your skin loses elasticity and can look dry, dull, and more prone to wrinkles. Think of it like a grape versus a raisin. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps keep your skin hydrated, plump, and youthful. Aim for 8 glasses of water a day and consider incorporating hydrating foods like fruits and vegetables into your diet. Exfoliating can be a great way to remove dead skin cells and reveal brighter, smoother skin. But be careful not to overdo it. Exfoliating too often or using harsh scrubs can disrupt your skin's natural barrier, leading to irritation, dryness, and even breakouts. It's all about finding the right balance. Listen to your skin and exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week with a gentle exfoliator. We've already talked about the damaging effects of the sun, but it's worth repeating. Wearing sunscreen daily is non-negotiable when it comes to preventing premature aging. UV rays are present even on cloudy days and can penetrate through glass, so it's important to make sunscreen a part of your daily routine, rain or shine. Look for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher, and apply it liberally to all exposed skin, even your hands and neck. We all express ourselves through facial expressions, but did you know that those repeated movements can actually contribute to wrinkles? It's true. Over time, the muscles in our face create creases in the skin, and those creases become more pronounced with repeated expressions. Now, I'm not saying you should stop smiling or frowning altogether, but being mindful of your expressions and trying to relax your face when you can help minimize the development of wrinkles. Good posture isn't just about looking confident, it can actually make you look and feel younger. Slouching can compress your organs, restrict breathing, and even contribute to back pain. Standing tall, on the other hand, opens up your chest, improves circulation, and makes you appear more energetic and youthful. So stand up straight, keep your shoulders back, and your head held high. We live in a digital world, but all that screen time can take a toll on our skin. The blue light emitted from our phones, computers, and tablets can penetrate deep into the skin, damaging collagen and elastin and contributing to premature aging. Plus, all that squinting and frowning at our screens can exacerbate wrinkles around our eyes and forehead. Try to take regular breaks from your devices, use blue light filters, and make sure you're getting enough sleep to allow your skin to repair itself. Establishing a regular skincare routine is one of the best things you can do for your skin at any age. Cleansing, exfoliating, and moisturizing help to remove dirt, oil, and dead skin cells, keeping your skin looking fresh and radiant. And don't forget about the delicate skin around your eyes. Use a gentle eye cream to hydrate and protect this area, which is prone to fine lines and wrinkles. When it comes to skincare products, harsher isn't always better. Using products that are too harsh for your skin type can strip away its natural oils, leading to dryness, irritation, and even breakouts. It's essential to choose products that are appropriate for your skin type and concerns. If you're unsure, consult with a dermatologist to create a personalized skincare regimen. Skipping meals might seem like a good way to lose weight, but it can actually backfire and age you in the process. When you skip meals, your body goes into starvation mode, conserving energy and slowing down your metabolism. This can lead to weight gain and make it harder to lose weight in the long run. Plus, skipping meals deprives your skin of the essential nutrients it needs to stay healthy and youthful. Moisturizing is essential for keeping your skin hydrated, plump, and youthful. Think of it as giving your skin a big drink of water. Moisturizers work by trapping moisture in the skin, preventing dryness and creating a barrier against environmental damage. Look for a moisturizer that's right for your skin type and apply it morning and night after cleansing. We all have our caffeine rituals, but overdoing it can affect your skin's appearance. Just like alcohol, caffeine is a diuretic, which means it can dehydrate your body, including your skin. This dehydration can make fine lines and wrinkles more noticeable. Try to limit your caffeine intake, especially in the hours before bed, to prevent dehydration and promote restful sleep. We may not be able to see it, but air pollution can wreak havoc on our skin. Pollutants in the air can penetrate the skin, damaging collagen and elastin and contributing to premature aging. Protect your skin by cleansing your face twice daily to remove impurities, and consider using skincare products with antioxidants to neutralize free radical damage. The skin around our eyes is the thinnest and most delicate on our face, making it particularly susceptible to signs of aging. Using a dedicated eye cream morning and night can help hydrate, protect, and brighten the eye area, minimizing the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark circles. Don't forget to wear sunglasses on sunny days to protect your eyes from harmful UV rays. Losing weight too quickly can have a negative impact on your skin's elasticity. When you lose weight rapidly, your skin doesn't have time to adjust, which can lead to sagging and wrinkles. Aim for a healthy and sustainable rate of weight loss, around 1 to 2 pounds per week, to allow your skin to gradually shrink along with your body. We all have a sweet tooth, but consuming too much sugar can actually damage your skin from the inside out. Sugar molecules can bind to collagen and elastin fibers in a process called glycation, making them stiff and inflexible. This loss of flexibility can lead to wrinkles and sagging skin. Try to limit your intake of added sugars and opt for natural sweeteners like fruit whenever possible. Never go to bed without washing your face. Throughout the day, dirt, oil, makeup, and pollution accumulate on our skin, clogging pores and contributing to breakouts. Cleansing your face before bed removes these impurities, allowing your skin to breathe and regenerate overnight. Make it a non-negotiable step in your nighttime routine. Our overall health and well-being play a significant role in how we age. Certain medical conditions, such as diabetes and heart disease, can accelerate the aging process if not properly managed. It's essential to work with your doctor to manage any underlying health conditions and maintain a healthy lifestyle to support your overall well-being. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage our cells, including skin cells, leading to premature aging. Antioxidants are powerful compounds that neutralize free radicals, protecting our skin from damage. To help your skin, try to incorporate antioxidant-rich foods into your diet, such as berries, leafy greens, and dark chocolate, and consider using skincare products formulated with antioxidants. We've already talked about the importance of limiting screen time, but it's worth reiterating the damaging effects of blue light. Blue light from our devices can penetrate deep into the skin, disrupting our sleep-wake cycle and contributing to premature aging. To reduce your exposure, consider taking regular breaks from screens, using blue light filters, and avoiding screen time in the hours before bed. Overeating can lead to weight gain, which can put extra stress on our bodies and contribute to aging. When we consume more calories than our bodies need, we store the excess as fat, which can lead to inflammation and other health problems. Try to practice mindful eating, paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues, and focus on nourishing your body with nutrient-dense foods. Just as overeating can be detrimental, so can undereating. When we don't consume enough calories or essential nutrients, our bodies go into survival mode, conserving energy and slowing down essential functions, including cell repair and regeneration. This can lead to a weakened immune system, fatigue, and accelerated aging. Our smiles are often one of the first things people notice about us, and a healthy, bright smile can take years off our appearance. Neglecting our dental health can lead to tooth decay, gum disease, and even tooth loss, which can affect our ability to eat, speak, and feel confident. Make regular dental checkups and cleanings a priority, and practice good oral hygiene habits at home. We've talked about the importance of drinking water, but it's equally important to use hydrating skincare products. Look for products formulated with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and ceramides, which attract and retain moisture in the skin. Hydrated skin is plumper, smoother, and less prone to wrinkles. So there you have it, 30 habits that could be aging you faster. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. By avoiding these habits and adopting a healthier lifestyle, you can protect your skin, preserve your youthful glow, and feel your best from the inside out. Start incorporating these tips into your daily routine, and you'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Remember, aging is a privilege, but aging prematurely doesn't have to be inevitable. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos on health, wellness, and skincare.